morning, guys, and welcome to my morning routine. Today we woke up a little bit later than usual. We woke up around 6:30. Normally it would be around 5:30, but today was a rest day from the gym, so we had a little bit more time, which was really nice. The first thing we do is head outside and take Lulu to the beach. Whether I'm headed to the gym or it's a rest day, the first thing I do when I wake up is movement. I've found with my anxiety and just the way that I feel the best is moving my body first to make sure I get it in. Otherwise, it will never happen. Before I make my breakfast, I always need to have my Bloom greens. You guys know the greens are essential for bloating, digestion, so many other benefits. So I have a nice glass of greens and then I hop into making my breakfast. Today I decided to have yogurt. I mixed together a Greek yogurt, which is high in protein, and a little bit of coconut yogurt. I added chia seeds, almond butter, and strawberries on top, and I ate that with my green tea. Good morning, guys. How's it going? We just got back from the beach with Lulu and I gave her breakfast, and now I'm actually getting ready to go on a little jog. I need a little bit of movement every single day, pretty much just for my mood. If I don't move, I feel stuck. I can't describe it. So I need to go on a jog just around the block. Like, I really don't do anything crazy, and then a little abs. And then after that, I am going to show you guys my meditation and journaling routine. So that'll be super fun. Wish I could bring you on my run, but you're too big. So I'll see you after. Okay, guys, we are back from my run. I'm chugging a big glass of water. Okay, I just spilled it on myself. Now is really like the most important time of my morning in my head. I've been kind of on this like journey lately of trying to be less in my head and more present. I have been struggling lately in terms of just feeling burnt out and having some depression. So I'm working on this time of my day really being like my time. I've been putting my phone on do not disturb when I wake up, which has been really nice. Have I missed a ton of important things? Yes. At the end of the day, my sanity is more important. But right now is a quick meditation. I'm running a little bit late today, so I'm gonna do a 5-minute. I can select the length of meditation I wanna do. So ideally I would be doing a 10-minute, but something is better than nothing. So I'm gonna do a 5-minute today, and then I'm gonna journal. I will show you once I'm getting to my journal. So let's do this. Give you the world like I promised I would. So now that I have meditated, I'm going to journal. This is a new thing for me, and I found these prompts online. I think someone tagged me in these, but I really like them. Let me show you this one. I don't know if you guys can read, my handwriting is not the best, but the prompts are word of the day, and I put forgiveness. Today I'm grateful for, and I put my therapist's name. Self-care activity of the day, I had a facial that night, so that was my self-care activity, which I'm trying to do more of those. Movement of the day, I said arms and chest. Nutrition goal of the day, all home cooked, don't order in. That was my goal. Sending love to, I put others with BPD, and I said I am, and then I put capable. So those are the prompts. We're gonna do that right now. Okay guys, now is the moment when I get ready for my day. I have my tea with me. I usually turn on a podcast or something positive and uplifting. If you can hear noise in the background, by the way, we're having some work done on the house, so it's a bit noisy. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys once I am sorted. Okay guys, I am officially ready for my day. I wear workout clothes pretty much every day, so not much change, but I'm gonna go get started in the office downstairs. Fee is already here. She starts at 9 a.m. every single day, so I'm gonna go join with her. Thank you guys so much for watching my morning routine. I hope you took some inspiration from it or it helped you out in some way. Comment below what you guys would like to see next. I'm enjoying posting every single week and I love this community so much. So sending love and positive vibes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love.